Hello, I'm Dr. Hilary Jones, and I'm pleased to say that I'll be working with your co-op pharmacy to help and support with lots of healthcare matters that might crop up. So what treatments are available for male pattern baldness? Well, there's no cure as such for it, but there are treatments which can at least slow down the hair loss and sometimes regrow some of the hair that's already been lost. This works in about 66% of men, according to well-publicized clinical trials. Now, there's no guarantee that treatments will work, but often the results are very good and very satisfying. Treatments with the strongest supporting evidence of all are the prescription medication finasteride and the over-the-counter medication minoxidil, which is sold over the counter as Regain. That's the brand name, Regain. Now, minoxidil Regain is the only clinically proven over-the-counter treatment for hair loss. It can stop and reverse some of that hair loss. Regain contains minoxidil, that's the generic name for the medication, and it contains the only over-the-counter active ingredient that's clinically proven, as I say, to help stop or even reverse hair loss. It works by doing this. It increases the blood flow around the hair follicle itself, and it stimulates follicle movement into the growth phase. And not only does it do that, but it extends that growth phase in the course of time. When it's used twice a day, you'll see that you probably have visibly more hair in about 16 weeks. So it's not a short course. That's 4 months that it'll take to see some improvement in most men. And you may think that's a long time, but when you think how slowly hair grows, it's not surprising. You might notice some hair shedding from the second week, but that shedding process shouldn't last more than 2 weeks. And if it does persist for longer, then seek medical advice. If you stop using the product, the hair that you've regrown could revert back to where it was before. So it's important that you continue with this treatment indefinitely. Now, finasteride is a prescription-only treatment that is available from Co-op Pharmacy's online doctor service. It's used for male pattern baldness, also known as androgenic alopecia. It's due to family genetics, and it's the byproduct of testosterone, something called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, which causes the follicles to shrink and to shorten their lifespan. Finasteride works by preventing the creation of DHT, that byproduct of testosterone, and therefore it prevents that from affecting the hair follicles. Treatment is usually a once-a-day tablet, and it can take between 3 and 6 months to start producing noticeable results. So you have to be patient. And you've got to continue with that finasteride to maintain the results that you get.